The 2013 Suburban 1500. The Chevy Suburban 1500 hauls more passengers and cargo than anything in its segment, a fact not overlooked by those who need such convenience or capability, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, remote engine start, traction control, Bose sound system, navigation system, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels. Come see the car for yourself.